Hey guys, I'm Sean Hewitt and I'm a computer technician, and today I'm going to show you how to add Bluetooth connectivity to your Windows 7 computer.
Alright, now I'm going to show you how to get Bluetooth on your Windows 7 computer. This is real simple, real easy. The first thing you need to know is you need a Bluetooth device, a Bluetooth enabled hardware, so you're able to do this. The Bluetooth is two things. It is your hardware to enable the Bluetooth connection and then your software to configure it. So you might have to add a Bluetooth wireless adapter to your desktop or laptop. Now, once we have a physical adapter, whether it's built in or if you bought one, then you can configure it inside of Windows. So the first thing we'll do is click on Start, and then in the search field, just type in Bluetooth. Then from Bluetooth, one thing you want to click on is Change Bluetooth Settings right here. We click on that. This is where the most handy thing you can do is click Show the Bluetooth icon in Notification area. Make sure that is clicked, so then when we go down to the bottom right, you can see that it's there. And from here, if you right click, you have a lot more options. It's just a very simple and easy way to configure and use your Bluetooth. So just make sure that that icon is up there, and that is how you're able to use all of your Bluetooth abilities.
There you go guys, that's how you add Bluetooth connectivity in your Windows 7 computer, and I'll see you next time.